Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OnePlus Tab Go tab and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. First, open Settings application. In it, we look for our mobile network and there data usage. In it, data usage limit, and there we can set it. First, we can set when our size starts, maybe first day of each month. There we can set our data limit, usage data limit. We must turn on it by switch on. There we can set in gigabytes and or megabytes what you need. Maybe we set 10 gigabytes. For our daily, maybe we set 2 gigabytes. It will be okay, I think. And there we can set what happens when we use it. We get only alert when we get alert and our data turn off. Maybe we choose this one and confirm by done. And the same with monthly data usage limit, we must turn on it. There we can set it, maybe 15 gigabytes we set. And there we can turn on data warming when we get warming. When we used how many gigabytes, maybe 12 gigabytes we set. And that's all. Press done and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.